Entry Doors Rowlett, Texas, is a crucial service for homeowners and businesses looking to enhance their property's curb appeal and security. Our expert team specializes in front door replacement and custom entry doors, ensuring that each installation meets the highest standards of quality and durability. Whether you need residential entry doors or commercial entry doors, we have the perfect solution for your needs. For those seeking energy-efficient doors in Rowlett, our selection includes fiberglass entry doors and steel entry doors, both designed to provide superior insulation and reduce energy costs. Our energy-efficient doors Rowlett options are perfect for those looking to improve their home's energy performance while maintaining style and security. Door repair services in Rowlett TX are essential for maintaining the functionality and appearance of your entry doors. Our comprehensive door repair Rowlett TX services include door frame repair, door jamb repair, and door hinge replacement, ensuring that your doors operate smoothly and securely. We also offer door threshold repair and door sealing services to prevent drafts and improve energy efficiency. Entry doors Rowlett Texas are a popular choice for homeowners looking to add a personal touch to their entryways. Our entry door consultation Rowlett services help you select the perfect door style Rowlett TX to match your home's architecture and your personal taste. From wooden entry doors to modern steel doors Rowlett Texas, we offer a wide range of options to suit any preference. Door security upgrades are a top priority for many property owners in Rowlett, Texas. Our door security Rowlett Texas services include door lock installation and door hardware installation to enhance the safety of your home or business. We also provide door glass replacement for added security and aesthetic appeal. Entry doors Rowlett is vital for prolonging the life of your doors and keeping them looking their best. Our entry door maintenance services include door painting Rowlett TX, door refinishing Rowlett Texas, and door weatherproofing to protect against the elements. Regular maintenance ensures that your doors remain in top condition year-round. For those in need of door painting services, our team in Rowlett TX offers professional door refinishing and painting to refresh the look of your entry doors. Whether you prefer a classic wooden finish or a bold, modern color, our door painting Rowlett TX services will transform your entryway. Door sealing Rowlett TX services are essential for preventing air leaks and improving energy efficiency. Our expert team provides thorough door sealing services to ensure that your entry doors are properly insulated and protected from the elements. This not only enhances comfort but also reduces energy costs. Door threshold Rowlett Texas services are crucial for maintaining the integrity of your entry doors. Our door threshold repair services ensure that your doors close properly and provide a secure barrier against the outside elements. This is an important aspect of door maintenance that should not be overlooked. Door jamb Rowlett TX services are available for those experiencing issues with their door frames. Our door jamb repair services address any structural problems, ensuring that your doors function correctly and provide the necessary security. Trust our experts to handle